In this video I'm going to show you how to combine multiple Google Sheets together in one. As you can see, I have a master tab opened at the moment and I would like to fill in data over here. And we've got that data in these two sheets. We have example 1 and example 2, and we would like to add these data into this tab. So we will going to add it with a custom formula, and I have created a formula for this option. So what we will do, we will enter the first cell and there we will fill in the following formula. As you can see, I have created a formula. I will explain it a little bit. You will use the equal mark, then a opening curly bracket, and then we will type in the name of the first sheet. That will be example 1. Then an exclamation mark, and we need to select the range of the data, and that will be A2 till E2. I can show it in this sheet. As you can see, it starts at A2 and it ends at E2. So what we will do, we will go back to the master sheet, and here you will see the following formula. Now what we have done, we have selected the sheet name, then an exclamation mark, and selected the data range which we would like to enter into our sheet. Now the next step will be a separation comma. This sign will be used to separate those two sheets from each part. And after that we can do the same for the sheet number 2. For example 2, we have the same range, so this will be the same as the first one, but we only change the name of the sheet. And this is what will happen when I enter the formula. Now the data will be displayed into this master tab, and now you have successfully combined two sheets together in a master tab in one sheet. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!